Guys, I got 2 4 cheese Whopper because they don't have the big one. Takot na pumalagod yung burger mo. Alam niyo ba guys, sa PK kami unang kumain together. It's not a date though. Would you consider that a date?
I think so. It's the first time we went out together. And I kept insisting on like
Pay
taking
for
her
my meal.
home.
No.
Was I?
To get PK together. And
Tapos
then
nagselos si mama.
iba pa yung PK na we had when you
sa
drove me
Imus.
home. Yeah.
Tapos you were insisting on going home alone. Rather than me like taking you home.
Pero you ended up taking me home. Kasi sabi ko, do you wanna take me home? I was like
Ano?
that. Ginanong kita.
Ano sabi
You
ko?
don't remember? At first, in-insist mo na you're gonna take me home. Pero then I said, no, it's okay. I don't want you to. And then, oh. And,
Tapos,
and then, apparently, nag-take out tayo ng food sa
we ate it.
sa BK. Kasi wala nang, wala nang, what do you call it? Anong dining sa BK? Ano? Diba?
Yeah.
Sama.
Diba? Eat that bitch guys. Mama. Eat.
On a serious note, I was a little confused. Pero, I was okay with us staying home.
Alam mo ba na I wasn't really feeling fine? I was feeling under the weather that time.
Sorry.
Or
No. I did not. We're eating a lot na naman. Oh, that is good. Oh. Thank you.
welcome. Siyempre, ikaw ang unahin ko.
Naaway ako ni Kuya Nike eh.
Diba?
Sabi ko kasi, pangalan ko sa kanya, Nessie. Sabi
Sino?
niya, Nessie.
What's Nessie?
N-E-F. And then, sabi na, di ba na? Oh.
Would you eat that?
Then you eat it with me. There.
At home?
No.
Laban!
That's how Aiden views it.
Huh?
That's how Aiden views it. Like, very, stupid. Like, they use it 4 days in a row. The fuck? Don't even think about it.
2 days.
What are we gonna do it for? Bye.
Bye.